Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a working DramaWave Mod Menu, which gave me unlimited coins and unlocked premium features without spending any money. This method works on Android and iOS too, and it's completely safe, so don't worry about it. But before the mod menu install, make sure you already installed the latest version of DramaWave application. It is very important, otherwise the mod menu does not working properly. Okay, now I will show you step by step how I installed this mod menu to my DramaWave app. Open your mobile browser and go to this website. Alright, then type DramaWave to the search bar and tap the download button to start the process. There's missing files. To finish the installation, you need to complete 2 free offers below from this list. As you can see, the Family Island offer need to install and reach the level 11. It's so simple and easy. Pick 2 from this list and you can finish the mod menu installation and unlock premium features in the DramaWave app. After everything's done, open your DramaWave app and you can see a gear icon on the left side. Tap it to open the mod menu, and you can add unlimited free coins or other premium features without paying any money. Hopefully enjoy my tutorial. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. Bye.